Hi, tell me why you want to be a cabin crew. So this is the question which you have to ask yourself, that why you want to be a cabin crew. Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Chanchal this side once again in front of you all, and today let's discuss this common and very tough question, that why you want to be a cabin crew. Guys, I know ये बहुत easy question लगता है हमें, but जब आंसर करने पे आता है we think that ये बहुत ज़्यादा tough क्यों है. Like खुद से ऐसे पूछना, why इंटरव्यू को ऐसे बताना पड़ता है कि like you know I want to be a cabin crew because of this XYZ reasons. So guys, like when I started my journey of becoming a cabin crew, like what I used to do is मैंने ना खुद को एक हफ्ते का टाइम दिया था, ठीक है. So this is the homework which I want कि ठीक है आप लोग भी करो, so that आप लोग को भी help मिले कि how you can make your answer. I will share the sample answer as well, but थोड़ी बहुत like अगर आप उसमें अपना points भी डालोगे ना, तो वो एक natural answer अपने आप ही बन करके आएगा, ठीक है. So take a notepad, like mark your like पूरा का पूरा एक week में. So I will help you with terms. What are the terms जिसकी help से you can just frame your answer, ठीक है. So there will be 6 terms, ठीक है. And on 7th day what you have to do is आपको पूरे के पूरे answer को proper एक frame करना है, ठीक है. So first point is regarding fast paced environment. Of course guys, आप जिस भी जिस environment में हम लोग work करते हैं, we all know कि ये कितनी glamorous job है, right? Working culture कितना exciting होता है. So you can write about that it's like it will provide excellent working environment, fast paced environment है, ठीक है. इसमें growth बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छी होती है. So these are the terms which you could use. And of course हर flight पे हमें different type के passengers मिलते हैं, different challenges होते हैं, तो इसके बारे में भी you can write. So the terms are fast-paced environment, exciting work culture, and different challenges on every flight. This you could frame, ठीक है. Second point is regarding customer service focus. So of course we all know aviation, it's all about service industry, है ना. Like हमें पता चलता है कि ठीक है हम different passengers से किस तरीके से deal कर सकते हैं. कभी आपको कैसे लोग मिलेंगे, कभी आपको कैसे लोग मिलेंगे, right? And it's a job of like where you have to interact with people daily, ठीक है. No matter आप कहाँ हो, कैसे हो, आपको लोगों से interact करना ही करना है, right? So you can write it is a customer service focus, ठीक है. Second term I would say it's regarding direct contact with passengers. Of course आपका face to face उनसे बात होगी, either it's regarding boarding, service के time पे, या फिर कुछ medical emergency हो गई, तो फिर आपका of course contact होगा passenger से. इसके रिगार्डिंग यू कैन राइट, ठीक है. थर्ड पॉइंट इट्स रिगार्डिंग योर पर्सनल ग्रोथ. ऑफ कोर्स वी ऑल नो कि एविएशन कितना ज्यादा आजकल ग्रो कर रहा है इन दिस इंडस्ट्री, राइट. वी ऑल नो कि ये सर्विस इंडस्ट्री आगे जाकर के और ज्यादा ग्रो करेगी. सो इट्स ऑल अबाउट पर्सनल ग्रोथ ऑल्सो, ठीक है. सो एंड इस जॉब की वजह से यू विल ऑल्सो बिकम प्रॉब्लम सॉल्विंग पर्सन, ऑफ कोर्स, क्योंकि आप लोगों की हेल्प करोगे डिफरेंट सिचुएशंस में, तो अपने आप ही आप एक प्रॉब्लम सॉल्विंग इंडिविजुअल बन जाओगे, ठीक है. एंड अडेप्ट इन स्ट्रेसफुल सिचुएशन एज वेल. एंड ऑफ कोर्स आपको अपने आप ही स्ट्रेस में रहने का थोड़ा एक आदत हो जाएगा कि ऑफ कोर्स अगर इस टाइप की सिचुएशन है देन मैं कैसे इस पे रिएक्ट करूंगी, अंडर प्रेशर कैसे वर्क करूंगी. ऑल दो थिंग्स, दीज आर दी क्वालिटीज जो आपके अंदर अपने आप ही डेवलप हो जाएंगी. सो दिस ऑल्सो यू कुड मेंशन. देन करियर अपॉर्चुनिटीज. और ऑफ कोर्स यार आप अगर कैबिन क्रू हो तो आप हमेशा तो नहीं रहोगे कैबिन क्रू, है ना. आगे जा करके आप सीनियर कैबिन क्रू बनोगे, मे बी किसी चीज के आप इंस्ट्रक्टर बनोगे. तो दिस ऑल्सो यू कुड मेंशन कि ऑफ कोर्स आई विल देयर विल बी करियर अपॉर्चुनिटीज इन टर्म्स ऑफ लीडरशिप और आइदर इन टर्म्स ऑफ सर्विस इंस्ट्रक्टर और एनी काइंड ऑफ इंस्ट्रक्टर जिसमें भी आपका एरिया ऑफ इंटरेस्ट हो, ठीक है. देन सेकेंड लास्ट पॉइंट, fifth day you can write about the passenger safety. Of course aviation में आपका safety बहुत important करता है. Either it's regarding the safety of you or either it's regarding the safety of your passengers. So this also you will study as well, but what matters is कि the term is safety over here, ठीक है. तो इसमें you can write कि of course आप अपनी aviation की safety ही नहीं, आपके surrounding में भी जो safety है आप उसके बारे में भी थोड़ा बहुत आपको knowledge आएगा, right? So this also you could mention on your 5th day. Sixth day, you could mention about the traveling, that you love traveling. Like I'm a person, मुझे तो traveling बहुत पसंद है, to be very honest. Either it's एक जगह से दूसरी जगह, or either it's regarding city to city, either it's regarding to country. I just love traveling. ठीक है? So you could mention about this, that how passionate you are about traveling and why you love traveling. ठीक है? Why you want to be a part of this job. Of course, it is a hectic job sometimes. हमेशा glamorous नहीं होती है, right? This we all know. And but still, what inspires you to be a part of a cabin crew team? So these are the questions which you have to ask yourself, and you can frame your answer with the help of these terms as well. And like if you have any other term, then do let me know in the comment section. Would love to answer, would love to hear your answer as well. Ki, okay, there are different terms and different answers as well. Would love to hear that. Do let me know in the comment section. So let's move forward towards the sample answer, and this was the you could say kind of a cheat sheet from my end, जिससे कि आप लोगों को अपना आंसर फ्रेम करने में थोड़ा इजी हो जाए. Okay, one more thing, guys. Interviewer can ask you that, okay, why you want to be a cabin crew, or either they can, rephrase the question that why we should hire you as a flight attendant. ठीक है, वो आपसे ये भी पूछ सकते हैं that why we should hire you और why you want to be a cabin crew. इन दोनों का आंसर सेम ही है. ओके, इंटरव्यूअर बस ये जानना चाहता है कि आप cabin crew क्यों बनना चाहते हो. ठीक है, और they could also relate the question that why we should hire you as a flight attendant in Indigo airline. ठीक है, वो अपनी एयरलाइन का नाम भी डाल सकते हैं. ओके, सो प्लीज आप पैनिक मत होना. इट्स अ सेम आंसर ओनली. ठीक. So let's move towards the sample answer, that I want to be a cabin crew, or if the interviewer asks you that why we should hire you, then you can say that you could hire me as your flight attendant. So since we are taking question over here is why you want to be a cabin crew, so let's answer the question accordingly. I want to be a cabin crew because I believe that I have all the qualities which are needed to be a part of an award-winning cabin crew team just like yours. I love facing challenges and while working in different culture and different environment and overcoming with them because of my excellent interpersonal skills. I love interacting with people, or you could say I am a people person. I am a very calm and confident person even in stressful situations. I love helping and making others happy. Being a self-motivated individual, I believe that I will be the best crew which also ensures the safety and comfort of passengers on board while representing the airline with a positive attitude. If given an opportunity to be a part of a high-powered and passionate about a passionate airline just like yours, then this is something that I have worked for. Thank you so much. Okay, so this is how you could answer. This was the answer which I framed while I was applying for my job. So this is the question I used to receive very often कि ठीक है आप प्लीज इस पे वीडियो बनाओ. So guys, if there is any other question which you think कि अच्छा ठीक है ये सुनने में तो बहुत easy लग रहा है, या फिर ऐसा भी question है you think कि ठीक है वो बहुत ज़्यादा tough question लग रहा है, and how we could answer or what is the cheat sheet you could say उस question को answer करने के लिए, please let me know in the comment section, or you could also text me on my Instagram handle. I will share the link in the description box. And yeah, that's all about this question. And in case if you need any assistance or any kind of help, please do let me know. I would love to help you all to achieve your dream. So thank you so much for being a part of this video. Thank you so much for watching the video till the end, and bye bye, take care.